Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach you a grammar topic, conjunctions. So let's proceed. A conjunction is a part of speech. Conjunctions join words or group of words. So conjunction is a part of speech which joins words or group of words. So now see, there are few kinds of conjunctions: coordinating, correlative and subordinating conjunction. So firstly we will listen to the coordinating conjunctions. Let's understand it. Coordinating conjunctions. These are used to connect words, phrases and clauses of equal rank. Okay. So what are coordinating conjunction? Where the equal rank of word or phrases are connected. So now let's see which are those words which are going to connect the sentences. Coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, for, yet, so, etc. Let's see few examples. I like to drink tea and coffee. So tea and coffee both are of equal rank. Mona likes pink but Sona likes red. So here we are talking about the colors. So, but you can eat with a fork or spoon. I cannot attend the meeting for I am unwell. Everyone was busy, so I washed the utensils myself. Okay. Now let's proceed towards the second type, correlative conjunction. These are used in pairs to connect two words, phrases or sentences. So these are used to connect two words, phrases or sentences. Okay. Now let's see what are the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, not only but also. So these words are to be taken together when we are using correlative conjunction. So these words are taken together. Now look at the examples. Either I will eat lemon chicken or butter chicken. I will go to neither Jaipur nor Jodhpur. Okay. So here what is said, that either I will eat lemon chicken or butter chicken. So two options have been given over here. And my younger sister is both smart and intelligent. So what it is said that my younger sister is both smart and intelligent, and she is having both the qualities. She is smart, along with that she is intelligent also. Tell me whether you will go with me or not. So here you people have understood that how these conjunctions will be used all together. Now the third type, subordinating conjunction. These conjunctions are used to join two clauses and one of those clauses is dependent on another and cannot stand alone, where the one part of the sentence is dependent upon the other part of the sentence, and the words which join these type of sentence are called subordinating conjunction. Let's see few examples which will make the concept much clearer. Though he is poor, he is honest. Though he is poor, चाहे वो गरीब है लेकिन honest है. I will eat food after my brother eats it. So when the person will eat food, when his brother would eat it. So the another part is dependent upon the First part. If you will work hard, you will pass. So when the person is going to pass? If he is going to work hard. I will eat pizza because I am hungry. I will eat pizza because I am hungry. क्यों खाएगा पिज़्ज़ा? क्योंकि वो hungry है. Wait here until I'll come back. So how long a person has to wait? Till the another person comes back. Okay, I hope that you people have understood these type of conjunctions. Now we'll practice this in a form of exercise. Let's see. Here you have to fill with the appropriate conjunction. Mona is very fat but very active. A student must obey or he may leave the class. Definitely the bridge collapsed, though it was made of stones. He will try if he is forced to. The old man cared for puppy as if it was his baby. He is cheerful though he has worked the whole day. Lavina likes to sing and dance when she is happy. So here see, this and is here, but it is dependent. When she used to dance, when she is happy. You will do well if you study hard. So this is dependent. So what conjunction is used here? Subordinating conjunction. The show started as the chief guest arrived. He was rowing the boat while I slept. Now here we have to identify the conjunction in this sentence. The children were happy when the film started. The people were eagerly listening while is the conjunction used here. The leader was speaking. The manager as well as his wife came to the office. She began to laugh as though she was insane. So she was laughing as she was insane. Insane is the one person who doesn't have a mental balance. She not only sings well but also dances well. So not only but also. What is here? Correlative. Okay. I hope my children must have understood the topic conjunctions very well. Have a good day. See you soon.